Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Between the Miaoli County towns of Tongxiao and Tongluo is the Taiyuan Old Trail. Traders who lived by the Miaoli coastline would use the trail to carry sea salt up to towns in the mountains. They would then carry tea leaves and charcoal back to the coast for sale. Today, people use the trail for nature walks and hiking.
挑盐古道位于苗栗县通霄与铜锣之间。早年滨海居民会请挑夫将盐一担担地挑过虎头山，供给内地乡镇的居民。尤其是习惯以盐腌制食物的山区客家人，回程时再挑些茶叶、木炭等货物回去贩售。如今，挑盐古道货运的功能已不在，而是休闲健行的好去处。
All right, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin.
Hello， 大家好，我係廖黃。
大家好，我係 Joseph Lin. We talked about a place that I'm always amused by. It's a place called Tongxiao, but literally it sounds like people who hang out late at night. But it's actually a town. It's a very well-known town called Tongxiao 嘛。Tongxiao 哈卡怎么说？
通宵。
通宵哦，那如果真的是通宵呢？玩通宵也是一样嘛。Okay. And around this place, I understand there's a lot of great destinations for people to visit.
我也做可能去上山行落海。
上山下海嘛。
下海。
So whether you want to try out the mountains or go by the ocean side, Tongxiao has it all.
你講去上山嗬，肯定做得去嘅開陽古道。
開陽古道這是什麼？
就是挑鹽古道。其實一條路哈，這條白係開鹽用嘅，以前是挑鹽用的一條小路。
Okay, so this is actually a very historic trail. It's an old trail called 挑鹽 Old Trail. And back in the days, they used to use this route to carry salt from one destination to another. But now it's actually a popular visiting site. Okay, so you can actually do a lot of walking there. This is actually in the mountains over there in Tongxiao. Okay, so what else? 如果要下海的話呢？
落海嗬，就去新浦海水去看海。
哦，新浦海水哦，新浦的海邊是不是？Okay, so it's actually a pier that you find near the ocean called the 新浦 Pier, and apparently it's very beautiful as well. 所以去那邊的話，看夕陽咯。
沒錯，看日頭落山。
What you could do is you could go to the pier and watch the sunset. So there you have it. A couple of places you can visit if you go to Miaoli's Tongxiao, and let's review some of those destinations again. Tongxiao.
通宵
and you want to go into the mountains and walk on the 挑鹽 Old Trail.
開陽古道
Okay, and then you also want to go by the ocean side and go to the 新浦 Pier.
新浦海巡
and you want to watch the sunset. 要看夕陽
看日頭落山
and that does it for today's Talk About Hakka. I'm Joseph Lin.
什麼睇㗎？
俺是誰張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.